And now here's more help for your family. This time we're talking about the importance of insurance. Open enrollment is underway right now, and Carolyn is here. She's from the PACE Guide to Senior Living, and Jody, a sponsor from Gap Care Solutions, are both here to kind of help us sort it all out. Good to see you both. Thanks so much for coming on.
Good to see you.
All right, why don't we start off with open enrollment? We hear that a lot, but what exactly is it?
Well, it's in regard to a senior who is receiving Medicare. So it's a time in which they can either choose to stay with their original Medicare, or they can choose to join or change their current Medicare Advantage or Prescription D program for the upcoming year. There's only usually there's only one time in the year they can do this, which is open enrollment. We're in that time right now. It's from October 15th to December 7th. However, if they have a qualifying event through that year, there could be something different that can occur. However, it's right now, and it's for the upcoming year starting January 1st. Yeah,
so this is important. They need to sort it out, and they need to figure out what they want for the upcoming year. So Jody, why don't we tell everyone what they should look for when they're kind of going over their different options for insurance?
Sure. I think most importantly, they have to realize what their options are and understand their options. People should choose an insurance based on both their medical condition and their medical needs, as well as their financial. And a lot of times people will look at it in terms of what their medical needs were in the past, but it's really important to look at it as what is my medical needs now and what might I anticipate for the future, so that they can figure it out. There will be a cost for medical care. It's just a matter of how that cost is going to look. And how they evaluate whether they're going to keep an original Medicare plan and maybe get a supplement, or choose to get a managed care plan.
All right, and let's talk about that too, because there is a plan that fills in the gaps of Medicare called Medicare Managed Care. Explain how that works.
Okay, so Medicare Managed Care, there's a couple other terms that are synonymous, and they mean the same things, and that is a Medicare Part C plan, a Medicare Advantage plan, and a Medicare Health plan. And basically what that means is that Medicare has outsourced the benefit, the Medicare benefit, to a private company. So now that private company is being paid a premium by Medicare to manage that person's health care completely. So when a person receives an explanation of their benefits, it comes from the private company, not from Medicare Direct. So really that company is managing everything in regards to that person's health care.
For people out there watching, when should they reevaluate what they already have? I'm sure a lot of people are just like, keep it the same, but that may not be what they need.
Right. So we recommend people reevaluate their insurance at all times. They should really be looking constantly at their medical condition, and has my medical condition changed, and therefore should my insurance be looked at to change possibly as well. Of course, everybody knows about open enrollment time as a time to look at it. It's important, even if someone's been happy and is happy with their insurance plan, to look at it during open enrollment, because even within the same plan that they've had, there are changes yearly. They change the doctors they contract with, they change the medications, all of it. Lots of things change. So
okay. A lot of people do get overwhelmed, though. So, Carolyn, is that where PACE can come in and help?
Absolutely. So a PACE care coordinator can help guide, navigate, and educate. We will educate about their insurance plan, see what they already have. We can actually lead them over to Gap Care Solutions so they can get into more detail, or even help them find a very dependable insurance broker that can talk to them in more detail and look for the future for them.
Yeah, there's a lot of ways, of course, that PACE can help everybody, including, like we said, open enrollment, senior housing, so many different options. For more information, all you have to do is visit seniorhousing.org or call the number on your screen, and a PACE care coordinator can help you today.